We're asked to find a polynomial of a given degree with given zeros. And there are two theorems as background to this. The first is the fundamental theorem of algebra. And this says that every polynomial function has at least one zero in the complex plane. And the second is the factor theorem. And the factor theorem says that P of C is equal to 0 if and only if. That means it goes both directions. If and only if x minus c is a factor of and when we take the two of those together, what it means is that every polynomial can be factored into linear factors of x minus the zeros. So taken together, it means that an nth degree polynomial has n solutions in the complex plane. In this case, we're given the solutions and asked to come up, or n zeros in the complex plane. We're given the zeros and we're asked to come up with a polynomial. And we're told to label it f of x. If negative 9 is a 0, then x plus 9 is a factor. And if 6 is a 0, then x minus 6 is a factor. And we're given the multiplicity of 2 on negative 9. If I multiply those out, I have a third degree polynomial. So that's all the zeros. This is what we're asked for, factored form. So this is know this information and then by inspection write the answer. I am going to multiply this out for you just to show you that it is a third degree polynomial, but also to show you a method of multiplication that you might not have seen before. I know that x plus 9 squared is equal to x squared plus 18x plus 81. And I want to multiply that by x minus 6. I am going to do that in a box. X squared plus 18x plus 81. And I always use my signs. I always include the plus, this addition and subtraction. This is x minus 6. X times x squared is x cubed. X times positive 18x is plus 18x squared. X times positive 81 is plus 81x. Negative 6 times x squared is negative 6x squared. 6 times 18x is, let's see, negative 108x. Checking my math, yes. And then this will be 6, negative 486. Now note that the diagonal boxes go together when I combine like terms. So I have x cubed plus 12x squared. Negative 27x. Is that correct? Yes. And then negative 486. So this is f of x. And notice that it is a third degree polynomial.